Greetings, all you beautiful people on YouTube. Thank you for joining us again. Today we've got a little bit of a project we're working on. You want to step this way. You can see we have a window opening here with drapes. You can see we received a big box. We have a blind that we are going to be installing today. So we have got our helper here has come to help us. And we're going to unbox this. Then we will install the blind and we're going to take down the curtains. So
Yep.
yes.
Pop, pop. Let's pop them all.
Where did we get this one from, sweetheart?
Online. Blinds Unlimited, is that the one?
No, we want to get it right.
What does it say on it? Does it say the company on the label?
Taiwan Import Export PT.
That's not it.
Oh.
I think that's the box. All right, so there's your instructions. Read those.
Instructions?
Yeah, you've got them.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah, in the box there.
Oh.
There's a tiny box there.
I was going to ask for the
instructions.
instructions so I could throw them.
It doesn't say who it came from. Just got our address on it.
Discount blinds, I don't know.
I want to say Blinds Direct.
Blinds Direct, that sounds right.
Is what I want to say. So if it's not Blinds Direct, we will update that. Factory Direct blinds, maybe? I don't know.
That's scissors?
Scissors?
Okay.
Why would we use scissors?
I don't know.
There's your instructions, Tristan. I found them for you.
Right there in the bag that's dropping now.
These are cordless blinds. They are top down, bottom up. We actually bought 2 sets of these previously and installed
Factory
them in.
Direct, okay, that's what it says, Factory Direct on it.
Factory Direct blinds. There you go.
There you got it. Now we know what company it was.
So we bought these from them before. Typically, well, both times we did, we waited till they were on sale. Then I got an additional 5% off coupon by searching around. So not too bad.
Pictures in 40 paragraphs.
Reading is a life skill.
Don't tell me how to live my life. These ones have pretty pictures.
I don't know, I like the pictures better than reading.
It's the same file.
I got 2.
70 inches.
70 something, wasn't it? 70 and a quarter or
I
half
guess
or
we should
something.
make sure
That it fits.
when you fit in the opening before we go too crazy. That looks pretty good.
Look, it's about a 1/4 inch on each side that said it needed.
We have to attach these to the window first.
These to this first.
Actual reading and instructions.
Looked at the pictures.
The pictures work
So-
sometimes.
It says brackets should be 1 to 6 inches from each end. So that puts those like that, 2 like that, and we put one down there. So if we go 4 and 4, is 8 from 70 leaves a 62, right?
I don't do math.
More or less, like that. So we want, what's a third of 62? 20 inches, right?
Yeah, 20 and
So
that much.
42 and 20 over here. And that puts those about like that. So pretty much slide them just about half an inch each way,
Yes.
like that. So we'll go 4 from each end. Bracket set, right?
Sure.
Okay. So the next thing is to ask the boss lady, where does she want the blind? Does she want it mounted in further, or does she want it right out on the edge?
In further, please. Kind of in the middle,
Attached, Tristan.
No.
because you got to bolt it in first, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, just looking at how
I just.
How it goes.
that. Right? That appears to be how it works.
Yeah, the metal disc clips up underneath the front lip.
No. Looks like this. Looks like.
Plastic hooks up underneath there.
Yeah, and then the metal is like a spring.
Spring that catches on the bottom of the
Yeah.
back edge of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So. You got your 2 screws.
Yes. You forgot this.
All right, so we're gonna be how far back? You want it centered in the opening? You want it
No, I
further-
want it centered, please.
like that?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we need to hook it up on the plastic, and we want to get it centered in the opening before we clip it in. Okay, right there.
Unclip? No, not unclipped. It just didn't go pong.
And they all clipped. But it went
Cool.
long.
Oh, look at that.
Wait.
That comes down.
Okay, but what is all this for?
This comes down.
I like it.
I'll read
Isn't that cool? I like it.
it. Let me read the instructions. I don't want to read the instructions. That's a lot of work.
Okay, now get my ugly drapes down. Oh, you guys are bad. Yeah, looks good.
All right, these 4 things go somewhere.
I'm cautiously optimistic that he'll figure it out eventually.
He will, he's a smart kid.
Eventually. Okay.
And as I recall, they're kind of a pain in the butt.
Yeah, I just don't want to break them.
Yeah,
That's the thing.
let me see.
I think I know how they go on. Ah! I'm gonna break something.
Yeah, let me
No
see.
breaking.
Let me see.
I got it. Yep.
Yeah, so you want to be able to go.
So kind of put it in the same spot on the other side so that it matches.
Right there.
Okay.
Yes. And then the same on the bottom, only reverse.
This one.
But then you
Here,
flip
make it easier for you.
so that.
Ow. Okie dokers.
Okay. And then you go like
And then I
that.
go like that and put them up or
Like
down.
that.
Then that way it doesn't have hanging down strings for the grandkids to get in. Can put them all the way up.
I have 2 more thingies.
Okay. All right, Tristan, how do you feel about mudding?
Muddy?
Over on the counter there is a spackle knife and a little bucket of pink stuff.
I see no such thing. You lied to me.
Now keep looking. The little tub with the pink lid and the tool that's next
On the
to
counter?
it.
You have lied to me.
Did not. Keep looking.
It's not here.
The little tiny tub there with the pink lid.
No, it's not.
Not pink? Oh, I moved it. You're right. Duh.
Where is it?
Okay, Tristan, come hold the camera and I'll go get it. Or it's on. Oh, it's on my phone table.
Okay.
I'm sorry. You're correct. I lied.
So earlier today we had some house guests. My guess is
As I cleaned the counter off
it
for the
got
company.
moved.
Okay, so now it's pink. So you
Pink
can
is
fill
for
in the
her
hole. And
rolls.
why I got the pink one is because when it dries, it's white, whitish
I probably don't
cream.
want to open this over the carpet.
Probably not.
It won't open.
So now I have some big, huge holes in my wall.
When it dries, it's white, you said?
Yes. And so that tells me when it's dry that I can sand it because I get so impatient
So
and
just
try and do it. Yeah, just fill in the hole. And because we have old world texture on these walls, it's okay if it's bumpy because it'll match.
okay.
Because I didn't want the smooth stuff because I do things like this. We're going to finish this project here of our blinds. And if you'll put your camera over here, love, show you what we've got. Leftover paint from the 5-gallon buckets from the builders. I keep my paintbrush when I'm still using it in the fridge in a plastic bag so I don't have to keep washing it out. I have a wet paper towel and a piece of sandpaper. So first, since I'm too short to reach, going to lightly sand. All it takes. Wipe it down. And then I'm going to take my paint and just go right over the top of the spackle. It's called spackle, right?
Something like that.
Plaster, spackle, whatever. Like that. And then I'll come back and test them when they're dry, and it may need a second coat. But it should dry the same color as the wall. And that's how we finish this, and we'll show you the my brush back in its baggie. Put it in my fridge because I'm not done, because I hate washing out the brushes. And we'll get it done. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we'll go along here. It took 2 coats of paint to get it covered. But as you can see, that's what it looks like. I'm very happy with my new blind.